What's up, online shoppers? Ever get caught without a bucket and wish you had one? This is a solution that is really quite ingenious, and look at how flat it stores. There's actually a bucket in here. So this is the Wakeman 10-liter collapsible bucket. Little instruction sheet for you. And this is the collapsible bucket. Now you can use it for all kinds of things, but basically all you have to do is just give it a little push like this and like this. And it opens, and it has a 10-liter capacity. This is such a convenient little bucket to have for camping, for tailgating, for sports, and even to help you when you're cleaning. Now, first of all, you can get it in tons of really cool colors. There's blue, there's gray, there's green, there's orange, there's even red. Now, weight-wise, this weighs just over a pound, and it's made of hard plastic and flexible silicone. That's what allows it to collapse flat. My favorite way to use the Wakeman buckets is for camping. Not that I like to do dishes, but I love that this little bucket collapses flat. I can throw it in my pack sack, and then I have a place that I can wash dishes, wash hands, soak vegetables, all kinds of different things, all in this nice, convenient 10-liter bucket. This Wakeman bucket is awesome. It folds flat, really easy, with just a couple snaps of your wrist. It'll go nice and low. It slides nice and easy into a pack sack, and it takes up relatively no space whatsoever. Now, this one is actually my second bucket. I bought one and used it for camping, but I wanted to have another one around the house because I love that it stores flat and I can put it out of sight, out of mind. But when I need it, I've got my really great 10-liter bucket ready to go. The Wakeman collapsible 10-liter bucket is a great convenient little bucket to have, whether you're cleaning, tailgating, or camping, and it's definitely a family favorite at my house.